Hello, I'm Dr. Sai Krishna B Naidu. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with a good 18 years of experience under my belt. I've trained in the various parts of the world, including Oxford in the United Kingdom and New York in the United States. I specialize in joint replacements and sports injuries with various arenas of knee replacements and the ACL ligament reconstructions. As you hear, the transparent healthcare is becoming scarcity. At Medfin, we are here to deliver the most transparent healthcare in terms of best clinical outcomes along with that. Here we do path-breaking technology in terms of joint replacements and ACL reconstructions to have the smooth experience and the best outcomes for your surgery. Here at Medfin, we ensure that your clinical diagnosis is done appropriately and accurately. Most of the times, the surgical interventions are not required. There are various options in terms of managing arthritis and various sports injuries with rehabilitation and braces. We ensure that the appropriate treatment is given to the appropriate stages of the disease.